Hey guys, welcome back. We're here to learn French. We're not here to talk about French and say bonjour, salut, mes amis, and then they just spend the rest of the time speaking English. I don't know any other people just learning in front of everybody, making mistakes. It doesn't matter, but I'm just here to learn, and you guys are here along for the ride. So let's learn. Let's jump right into greetings. Greetings. So we can make those videos. Salut, bonjour. Bonne journée.
Merci.
Merci. Maybe we'll do an entire video in French. Merci is thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Bonsoir, comment ça va?
Bonsoir, comment ça va? So, good evening. Where are we? Bonsoir is evening, right? Good. Oh, there's good. Oh man, what's going on? I need thicker glasses or what? Good evening. Comment ça va? How are you doing? How do you say good evening? Bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Good, literally.
Salut Marie, comment ça va?
Salut Marie, comment ça va? Hello. Hello Mary. There's no comma, so how are you doing? Salut Mary, comment ça va?
Ça va bien? Et toi?
Ça va bien et toi? Oh, we got a dialogue going on here. Ça va bien et toi? So, I am doing well. Well, right? And you? Ça va bien et toi? Ça va bien. How do you say thank you? Is merci.
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 Ça va très bien.
Ça va très bien. I am doing very. Très, right? Très means very.
Très.
Très, I am doing very well. Thank you for translating the entire sentence for me. Salut Emily. Ça va? En croissant? No. Ça va bien, merci. Et toi? I'm doing good. Thank you. And you?
Bonsoir Marie.
Bonsoir, Mary.
Marie.
So, good evening, Mary.
Eh.
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 Eh. So that's how you say the letter eh. Okay. Salut, Paul. Ça va?
Ça.
Va. Salut, Paul. How do you say you is toi?
Toi.
Toi.
Si.
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 Si. Is that how you say yes in Spanish? Si. I don't know what it means in French. I am doing very well. Ça va très bien. Ça va très
Très.
bien.
Bien.
Ça va très bien. That's it, right? I'm doing very well, and you? Ça va très bien, et toi? So, ça va très bien, et toi?
Toi.
Et toi? Dun, dun. We're gonna do 2 lessons. Don't want to make it too short. I like the lessons to be around 10 minutes, you know, so you don't fall asleep. Oh, thank you for that ad. That's exactly what I wanted to see. COVID ads. They have COVID ads? Okay, how do you stop? I don't want to learn more, man. Patience. Oh, okay. Whoa, we got a silver feather. What does that do? We are flying. Let's see the top dog here. Sashay Palmer. Oh, man, we're not gonna catch her in this video. The next video, maybe. No, I'm not wagering my gems. I'm saving them up. I can't say no. I have no idea what just happened. Okay. Greetings. Moving on. I just want to go to the next lesson. Ça va? You say that? Okay, right? Ça va?
Au revoir.
Oh, I turned the commercial down. Au revoir is goodbye. Let's hear that again now.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Goodbye.
Bonjour. Bienvenue.
Bonjour, bienvenue. So, hello, welcome. Right? Bienvenue. Let's click on it.
Bienvenue.
Bienvenue. Bienvenue.
Bienvenue.
Bienvenue. I like her voice so much more. It's so much more nicer than the
Au revoir, bonne journée.
bored teenager. Say that again, Mr. Bear.
Au revoir, bonne journée.
Au revoir. Bonne journée. Goodbye. Good day. It's good. Bonne journée. Good journey. Good day.
À bientôt, Marie.
À bientôt, Marie. Bientôt. I forgot what that means. I don't think they taught me that, man.
Bientôt.
Bientôt, to see you soon. Oh, so that'd be like goodbye, Mary, right? Or no, see you soon, Mary. A bientôt, see you soon. See you soon is a bientôt.
À bientôt.
A bientôt.
Bonjour, Marie. Enchanté.
Bonjour, Marie. Enchanté. I'm gonna sound like a text-to-speech after this course.
Enchanté.
Nice to meet you. Bonjour, Mary. Enchanté. So, hello, Mary. Nice to meet you, is that?
Enchanté.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Bonjour, Mary. Enchanté. Enchanté, Charlotte. Je suis Gabriel.
Suis. Oh.
Oh! Is it this one?
Oh.
Ooh! That's tough on my little iPad speakers. They're
Bienvenue.
Bienvenue! Welcome.
Et.
E. E?
Et.
E. E with the tick.
Bonne journée.
Bonne journée. So, good day, right? Bonne journée. Have a good day? Have a good day. So, have a good day? Is that it? Bonjour, moi, c'est Alice. Enchanté, Alice. Au revoir, Alice. You don't want to talk? Goodbye. See you soon. So, au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. See you soon is a bientôt.
Bientôt.
I don't want to talk like that guy. Have a good day. Bonne journée.
Journée.
Say bon.
Bonne. Bonne. Journée.
Bun.
Journée.
So bon and bun. Bun is the female version or something. I don't know. All right, that was fun. Lesson complete. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Wait, let's continue. Let's see. Commercial.